Welcome to Karmic Sparks, and welcome to this powerful new moon wealth ritual. I am so excited that you're here with me today as we set our intentions and clear the way for abundant financial flow this month. The new moon is a time of fresh starts, new beginnings, and deep manifestation energy. Together, we'll focus on attracting wealth and releasing any negative beliefs about money. By the end of this ritual, you'll feel empowered, grounded, and aligned with the flow of abundance. Whether you're new to this practice or have been manifesting for a while, you'll be able to tap into the energy of the new moon and take practical steps towards financial success. Before we dive into the ritual, let's take a moment to prepare your space. This is your time, so make it sacred. Light a candle to invite positive energy into your space. Maybe you want to place a crystal like citrine or pyrite to enhance abundance energy. Next, gather your journal, pen, and anything else that you like to use to focus on your intentions. Take a moment to make sure you're seated comfortably, with your back straight and your feet grounded firmly on the floor. Now, before we begin the ritual itself, let's center ourselves through a simple breathing technique that will calm your mind, ground your energy, and open your heart to receive abundance. We'll use a 4-7-8 breath technique. This helps clear the energy and create space for manifesting new opportunities. Here's how we'll do it. Step 1, breathe in for a count of 4. Step 2, hold your breath for 7 seconds. Step 3, exhale slowly for a count of 8 seconds. And we will do this twice. You ready? Let's begin. Take a deep breath in for 4 seconds. Hold the breath for 7 seconds. And begin to exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Let's do that again. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Great job. Notice how much more relaxed and clear you feel. We'll carry that feeling with us as we go through this ritual. Now that we're centered, it's time to set your intentions. This new moon is about new beginnings, and we're going to focus on attracting financial abundance into your life. Grab your journal and write down your top 3 financial goals for this month. Be as specific as possible. For instance, maybe something like, I intend to bring in X amount of dollars this month. I intend to bring in $12,000 this month. I intend to clear my debts that are holding me back. Or I intend to clear my biggest debt this month. Another one is, I intend to open myself to new business opportunities and increase my wealth. That's a bit of a mouthful, but something along those lines. Try to be as specific as possible. And remember, goals that are clear and measurable will help your subconscious align much more easily. Take a few moments to write down these intentions. As we write down our intentions, we also need to release any old beliefs, fears, or doubts that could be blocking our financial flow. These limiting beliefs often come from past experiences or conditioning, but they don't have to define our future. Think about any beliefs or thoughts you've had about money that might be holding you back. For instance, money is hard to come by, or I don't deserve to be wealthy, or I can't make money doing what I love. Those are just examples. Write down anything which you think holds you back. I want you to write these limiting beliefs down on a piece of paper. Once you've written them, we're going to move into the release phase. I'll give you a moment just to get that done. Okay, now take your paper and either tear it up or burn it on a fire-safe plate or container of some kind to release those beliefs into the universe. As you tear or burn the paper, say this: I release all negative beliefs about money and financial abundance. I am worthy of wealth and success. Feel the energy shift as you let go of anything that no longer serves you. Now, let's move into visualization. Close your eyes and picture your financial abundance flowing easily to you. Visualize it like a stream of golden light surrounding you, filling your home, your business, and your life. Feel the joy and peace that comes with knowing that you are supported by abundance. What does financial freedom look like for you? What would your life feel like if money were no longer a worry? Think about it for a moment. What can you do with your wealth to help others and enrich your community? Take a moment to visualize in vivid detail what you would do once you have achieved your goals. See yourself already living in abundance. Now we'll repeat a few affirmations that you can use for the month ahead. I'll say them first, and then you can repeat them either out loud or silently. Let's begin. I am worthy of financial abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I attract opportunities that align with my financial goals. I am open to new income streams and business ventures. Every day, I am becoming more prosperous. Repeat these affirmations every day throughout the month. They will keep your energy aligned with wealth and success. Thank you for taking part in this powerful new moon wealth ritual. Trust that your intentions have been heard and that the universe is working with you to bring your financial goals to fruition. Remember, abundance is your birthright. Allow yourself to receive it with open arms. Take a final deep breath in and out. Know that you are worthy of the wealth and success that you desire. Thank you for joining me in this sacred ritual. I look forward to seeing how your abundance unfolds this month. See you next time. Don't forget to like this video if it resonated with you, and subscribe for more new moon rituals and wealth manifestation tips. If you've created a vision for your financial success, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Until next time, stay abundant.